Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today we are, of course, May 1st, 2024, and usually on the first day we look at the market share for the different Windows version the month before. And there's obviously something wrong in the numbers, what's happening with Windows 11. It is very curious. So if we look at those numbers from StatCounter Global Stats, Windows 10 has been gaining some momentum in the past couple of months. If we look at January, 66.5, then we have February at 67.26, at March at 69, and look at that, 70.03 is the number they have as of April, for April. And this is Windows 10 gaining more users every month this year, which is an unusual thing because usually when we're so close to the end of an operating system, because only about a year and a half left for standard, end of support, 70% is a very high number, and gaining more is just incredible. And at the same time, Windows 11, which should be technically gaining momentum because we have a lot of new PC sales, is losing ground. So Windows 11, which is the latest version of Windows, went from 27.8 in January to 28 in February, but then March goes down to 26.7, and as of April we have a number of 25.6. It actually lost a couple of percentage points since the beginning of the year rather than gaining. So these numbers are mind-boggling and are very weird, as the new PC sales should technically push Windows 11 up, but it ain't happening. And the only operating system that really is going up on Windows is Windows 10. So very, very interesting and very unique situation here. This is troubling for Microsoft. I think they will have to notice that, when no one wants to go to Windows 11, and it's being stuck at just 25% right now. So what are your thoughts on this? Why is it that Windows 10 is still gaining and Windows 11 now losing? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.